Welcome back to Rolling Legends, your go-to spot for the boldest machines on the road. Today, we're diving deep into a beast that's turning heads and shaking up the luxury SUV scene, the 2026 BMW X8. Buckle up, because this isn't just an SUV, it's BMW's most daring move yet. Now, when you think of BMW's X series, you think sleek, performance-driven utility. But the X8 takes that formula and dials it to 11. Picture this: coupe-inspired design, full-size SUV presence, and M-level aggression, all fused into one electrified monster. The 2026 X8 is the flagship SUV BMW fans didn't know they needed until now. Under the hood, expect serious firepower. Rumors are strong that the X8M version will feature a hybrid V8 powertrain, possibly the same 738 horsepower setup from the XM label red. That means 0 to 60 in just over 3.5 seconds, in a vehicle that weighs over 2.5 tons. Yeah, wrap your head around that for a second. BMW's not just flexing, they're rewriting performance expectations for SUVs. Design-wise, the X8 breaks away from traditional BMW conservatism. The front end is bold and maybe even controversial, with slim LED headlights and a more sculpted kidney grille that lights up as part of BMW's iconic Glow package. The roofline sweeps like a coupe, but there's no compromise on space inside. The rear, aggressive, wide, and clean, with quad exhausts and a light bar that screams futuristic performance. Inside, the X8 spoils you. BMW's latest iDrive 9 system runs through a massive curved display, wrapping around the digital instrument cluster and infotainment screen. Materials? Think crystal shift knobs, carbon fiber trims, and merino leather seating. Rear passengers get first-class treatment to a heated, cooled, massaging seats, plus ambient lighting that changes with your mood or driving mode. This cabin isn't just luxurious, it's theatrical. Now, let's talk tech. The 2026 X8 features advanced autonomous driving capabilities, including hands-free highway cruising in certain countries. Add to that adaptive air suspension, four-wheel steering, and an M-Tune chassis, and you've got a machine that's as agile as it is luxurious. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or cruising downtown, this thing delivers. BMW hasn't officially confirmed pricing yet, but expect the base model to start around $100,000, with the X8M easily crossing the $160,000 mark. That puts it up against rivals like the Lamborghini Urus and Aston Martin DBX. But BMW's aiming to outclass them in everyday usability without losing that performance edge. So, who's the 2026 BMW X8 really for? It's for the driver who wants the raw thrill of a sports car, the presence of a luxury SUV, and the technology of tomorrow. It's for the bold, the loud, and the legendary. If you're excited about the X8 or have thoughts on BMW's new direction, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next legendary ride. Until next time, keep driving forward. This is Rolling Legends, signing off.